Thanks for coming back and checking out another video. I've got the Lebel challenge lock in the vice that was sent to me by Daz Evers earlier on today. It's called Tears of the Dragon and it's got a mummified key, so it's not going to give us any clues at all. And it looks like it's his 143rd challenge lock. And they come in the obligatory black bag. Oh, I'm going to sneeze, I think. Oh, fuck, excuse me. Now, I've had a pick of Evil Dead by Boy Bilbo. I tried that one first because Dad said that was a really difficult challenge lock. And he's right. I felt like I was so close to opening it though, about 15 minutes in. And I felt it, yeah, I was so close. And then when, you know, when the tension tool slips out, and that was that. So I thought I'd have a crack with this one, and I'm going to go straight in with obviously the new pick from Daz. Beautiful pick there, mate. Love that hook. I can see that. When you do get a new pick, it does take a little bit of time to get used to it. You know, you will need to have a little bit of a practice with it and get used to the feel of it and the shape of it, and particularly the shape, because I'm used to the straight handle, and this although it's not heavily curved, there's a little bit of a curve on it, but it's comfortable. It's really comfortable. Don't get me wrong, but it just, every new pick takes a bit of bedding in just to get the feel for it. Anyway, enough talking shit. Let's see if we can fucking actually get a lock open.
I have to say, Lee has been impressing me lately, and if we want to expand the business, you know, we need an injection of cash, right? Lee's got a shitload of it now. So I see you've been getting some meetings in. Yeah, got 3 for next week. 3 for next week? Yeah. I've been thinking, you might be able to help us take D&D to the next level. I was a bit of a ball ache, mate, I'm just set up down here. No, business, not the... Oh, sorry! You need to be a part of this. What are you saying? With the invest, there's an opportunity for you to become part of the management. Alright, yeah. Thank you. Well done, mate. Alright, mate, thanks. Questions on this thing. You right, mate, install me? Yeah. No problem. Alright, so Joey, yeah. You still like conflict resolution nightmare? Yeah, we'll be in touch. Oh, mate, you alright? Yeah, how are you? Yeah, good. Yeah, Dave. Sorry, Greg. Nice to meet you, Greg. Yeah, nice to meet you. Yeah. Very nice. This is your spot. Yeah, this is us, yeah. D&D Construction Solutions. Oh, yeah. What do you do? Mainly construction solutions. Right, so this is an impressive erection you've got up here. I mean... Oh, you did like that? Yeah, no, we put that up, so it's nice and hard. Yeah. Good, yeah. Yeah, oh, we'll get us out. I know they're going to start cleaning. Yeah. So you're going to be staying? Oh, you're staying at the hotel? Yeah, no, I'm this one too. Yeah. Well, it's a bit of a job, it was just me. So, well, probably, you know, monthly cheer for a drink or something, you know. So I haven't really got to speak to many people there, so it's nice to find people. So you're more than welcome. Come on, let's go and use it. Why couldn't we take 2 keys? Then I wouldn't have to be coming up with you to get us back into it. So this is all your work, Lee? Wow, look at that over here. Mine are over here. Great. You just rub it for a long time, or? Yeah, you should. So you get... Dude, that's what he does, isn't it? You wanna go? Yeah, what? Sorry, do you mind if I bend the knee slightly? I'm gonna hold here now. Yeah. Stroke comes down, we're gonna ease into it. Right. I'm gonna ease away slowly. I'm easing out. Right, just feel it. And now just let it. See what he's doing. You know what he's doing there? Scrape shift. That's you're doing the scrape and shift, Greg. Yeah, Greg did the scrape shift. So the layman, yeah, it looks alright. But to an expert eye like me, riddled with errors, to be honest. But yeah, good luck with him. There's times when we're all short of a few bob, but at our Bristol Street Motors massive 10-day events, you can buy a beautiful, great value used car with 0% interest for up to 5 years. No deposit as well as cash back for your old car, which will just help to get some of the stuff you need for your new home. Must end Monday 15th of April. Bristol Street Motors 0% APR 10-day event. No deposit from £6,000 for 5 years and up to £30,000 for 2 years.
This is it. Hopefully, if I don't reset everything. Oh, no, not quite. Maybe that one at the back now. Lifted. There it goes. There. Oh, I thought that was it. It is that pin now, I'm sure it is. No. Ah, pin 1. Still pin 1.
This ad works best.
There we go. I know it was pin 1. 10 minutes, that's not bad for an Albert Lebel, and done with the brand new pick from Daz. Wicked. Really chuffed with that. I'm chuffed with chuffed with the pick, but I'm also chuffed with the pick in there. I felt like that was all full control. I knew exactly what pin I was on, what I was doing, and where I was in the lock. So yeah, really pleased. Now let's get this out and get this gutted. And I know it's going to be a bit of a long video now. I'm still using this new camera, so I'm still trying to make sure I get in the right position with it. So I'm going to try and keep it unlocked. No circlip, thank fuck.
She says at some point, everyone in their life should experience true, raw, masculine energy. Yeah, just sort of to feel how toxic it is.
There we go. I'm going to see if I can zoom in on that. It's not very clear when you get quite close up, but you can see everything needed to be picked. Number 5 was only needed to be picked a tiny bit, but the rest are fairly deep. So
Oh, sorry, what do you mean? Well, you're always free on a Wednesday night, aren't you? How can I free on a Wednesday night? Things change, don't they, Lou? Wednesdays I go Zumba-size, actually. Well, shall I ask you about another one? No, you're not getting it.
so let's
Don't
have
ask
that.
about anything. I'm not your girlfriend. Why would you say that we...
So number 1 has got an undercut. I think it's called an undercut. Countersunk. There's threading in 2. Standard in 3. Another undercut in 4. Very small countersinking in 5. And threading in 6.
Yeah, I always liked you, Lee.
I'm not sure how well you can see that.
You were good. Yeah, a good bloke, you know.
Yeah, that's that one. And the actual pins are looking stunning. I will take proper photos, but we've got some serious serrations. Pin 1 is standard, we've got some serious serrations on pin 2, we've got a spool in 3, standard in 4, and we've got this mental torpedo pin. I'm not sure how well that's going to focus in.
My little bag for life.
I can't really see that very well.
But I shouldn't be talking about it to you.
But yeah, crazy. That is a mental pin. And more serrations on 6. So let's see what we've got up top, and I know if that's what we've got in. If that's what we've got as a key pins, God only knows wow what the drivers are like. And look at that, that is fucking amazing. Wicked pin work there from Albert, as you would expect really from Big Al. Yeah, we had a pin there.
Show me your other bound dead then.
No. Oh, man. I'm not interested.
Yeah, well, I don't fucking want to do that anyway. I mean, who'd do that? Look at that. Look at your nipples aren't even straight.
No.
Still deep.
And I can see there's threading in some of these. Not sure how well you're going to be able to see that. But there's threading in 2 and 6 by the looks of it. I'm going to try and zoom in on these pins with this camera. Not really doing it justice, I don't think. That's better. You can see some of them pins there, look. There we go, thanks for watching, and I will try and take some close-up pictures.